The development of artificial intelligence and its future in the education and training industry. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly expanding field that is transforming many industries, including education and training. In this article, we will explore the development of AI and its future in the field of education. The development of artificial intelligence. AI has come a long way since its inception in the 1950s. Advances in computing power, data storage, and algorithms have made it possible to develop AI systems that can perform complex tasks, such as natural language processing, image recognition, and decision-making. In the field of education, AI is being used to develop personalized learning experiences, student assessment tools, and intelligent tutoring systems. These systems use machine learning algorithms to analyze student data and provide personalized feedback and recommendations to help students learn more effectively. The future of artificial intelligence in education. The future of AI in education is bright, with many exciting developments on the horizon. One of the most promising applications of AI in education is the development of intelligent tutoring systems. These systems use machine learning algorithms to analyze student data and provide personalized feedback and recommendations to help students learn more effectively. Another promising application of AI in education is the development of virtual assistants and chatbots. These tools use natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to understand and respond to student queries, and provide personalized recommendations and assistance. Challenges and opportunities of artificial intelligence in education. While there are many opportunities associated with AI in education, there are also significant challenges. One of the biggest challenges is the potential for bias and discrimination in AI systems. AI algorithms can reflect the biases of their designers and the data they are trained on, leading to unfair and discriminatory outcomes. Another challenge is the potential for job displacement, as AI systems automate tasks that were previously performed by humans. This could lead to significant social and economic disruption. Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly advancing and has the potential to become an integral part of the educational system. In this article, we will delve deeper into the future of AI in education, the benefits and challenges it presents, and how it can improve the learning experience for students. The future of AI in education. The future of AI in education is bright. AI has the potential to revolutionize the way students learn, teachers teach, and educational institutions operate. Intelligent tutoring systems, for example, can provide students with personalized learning experiences that adapt to their individual needs and pace. These systems can also provide teachers with valuable insights into student learning, enabling them to adjust their teaching methods and strategies accordingly. AI can also help educational institutions streamline administrative tasks, such as grading and record keeping, freeing up time for teachers to focus on more meaningful interactions with their